Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Thomas S. Junis made his perpetual profession as a Salesian of Don Bosco on 15th August, the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. The ceremony took place at the Marian Shrine of Haverstraw, New York, and was presided over by Father Dominic Tran Dan Kong, Provincial of the Eastern United States and Canada. 38 other Salesians concelebrated. The Rector Major Emeritus, Father Pascual Chavez, preached the homily, during which he recalled how the professions are an acknowledgement of the fact that God loves us. Many Salesians, religious, lay missionaries and the parents, friends and family of Thomas S. Tunis were present on this day of celebration. The General Counselor for the Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, has been on an animation visit to the 5 Salesian communities in South Sudan. From 12 to 18 of August, he visited the communities of Juba, Maridi, Wau, Tonj and Kujok. The visit allowed Father Maravilla to appreciate the great work that the Salesians and the Salesian family are doing to help many very poor young people and families displaced due to years of conflict and political instability. Accompanied by the delegate Father Joseph Can, the General Counselor for the Missions visited all the presences and was able to meet his confreres who work in the provincial delegation of South Sudan and Sudan. Once again, the small rural community of Chipmay is preparing to welcome thousands of pilgrims who between Friday 25th and Sunday 27th August will arrive in this town in the province of Rio Negro, which gave birth to Blessed Ceferino Nyamukura, to pray and thank God for the gift of the lily of Patagonia. It will be the 54th pilgrimage of faith to Chipmay, which this year will take place under the motto Ceferino Attentive Gazes and Sensitive Heart, Supportive Hands. It will take place on the liturgical anniversary of the memory of the Blessed on 26th August. The event will begin on 23rd August with Mass at the Ceferino Sanctuary Park and will continue the following day with the Mass welcoming pilgrims, the celebration of some baptisms, moments of prayer and conviviality. Salesian Aquino Mazzarello Diaz was ordained a priest by Bishop Leandro Maria Alves, Bishop of Bacua. The ceremony, which took place on 15th August, was concelebrated by Father Anecleto, TLS Superior, and involved numerous members of the diocesan clergy, Salesians and representatives of the Salesian family. The National Migrant Workshop, a significant event for the South Asia region, held in Mumbai on August 16 to 17, provided a vital platform for the Don Bosco for Migrants Network to learn, share and address the pressing challenges of the distressed migrants in India. The workshop saw active participation from db4m representatives from all Indian provinces, including religious and church bodies, CCBI and CBCI, NGOs and trade unions, fostering a diverse and collaborative environment. The workshop commenced with a solemn Eucharist, a significant moment led by Father Ignatius Gary from the Guwahati province, Father Samir Minch, a Jesuit from Bangalore, and Father Maria Arok Yados from Delhi. Their contributions, including Father Gary's homily on the importance of commitment and genuine support, and Father Arok Yados's reflective prayer, set a profound tone for the workshop. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.